Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a 2018 BMW M140i Shadow Edition. This one is tuned up a little bit. I've got a dyno printout for about 460 horsepower. Got REMUS exhaust on there. It's got some lowering springs. It's got the M Sport style splitter and a zero, however you say it. Diffuser kit on the rear, spoiler, etc. And the sides, blacked out Starlight roof lining. It's got a few bits done over the standard spec as well. It's got nice Harman Kardon audio, pro nav, heated seats, leather, memory pack, electric. Yeah, quite a nice one, sat nav. So let's have a look around. So it's only done 68,000 miles, decent service history as well. Front end's actually pretty clean, a couple of light stone chips, nothing too horrendous. Bit of a sleeper, little mark down here. Quite like the fact that these are kept grey to match the front. Actually, I think they look quite nice like that. Back end looks really aggressive. That diffuser. It's all in the boot. Ample luggage space there. It's an M2 beater really, isn't it? Or certainly going to surprise a few M2 comps out there. There's that little mark there. Very faint mark there. There you go guys, that's the exterior. Pretty good. Let's have a look inside. So you got that piano black trim, you got electric seats, decent condition as well. An Alcantara steering wheel, and there's your roof lining with a remote, so you can change colours if that's your thing. I haven't seen it at night yet, but I can imagine it looks pretty cool. Alright, sorry about that. And a lost person on the business park. Driver seat in great condition as well. I'm liking the Alcantara steering wheel. It's got the M Sport style stitching as well. Power fold mirrors. 2 keys. It's got the red button as well. There's your mileage, 68. Got sat nav, usual stuff. I think this has got the dynamic suspension set up as well. Where is it? Profiles? No. Saw it earlier. Driving mode. Configure sport, yeah. I think that's the adaptive suspension if I'm correct. Which was an optional extra, heated seats. HK, power fold mirrors. Give it a little rev for you. Oh, it does sound good. It does sound nice. Love the facelift tail lights. lights on these as well. Guys, there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, there'll be a link directly below in the description, which will take you to the advert. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again for watching. Bye.